Hello, everyone. As we all know, fraud is one of the significant ethical issues in the credit card industry, and this credit card fraud impacts consumers, merchants, and issuers alike. Thus, if you wish to detect whether a transaction is fraudulent or not, then SmartPredict is the right platform for you. It has ready to use cases, plus, it combines powerful machine learning approaches, supervised machine learning, and anomaly detection. Today, we are going to see the use case entitled Credit Card Fraud Detection. This use case permits us to see whether a transaction is fraudulent or not in just three steps. The first step consists of collecting the data. Here we can upload our own dataset or go for the inbuilt example. The second step is the configuration. We can personalize the flowchart structure by choosing the features of our AI models. And finally, we have to click on the continue button. From here, SmartPredict will be doing all the work, such as generating the flowchart and then the deployment. All we have to do is to sit back and relax till SmartPredict generates the output. Here we can see in the output we have the verdict and the confidence score. And voila, as non-expert users, our task ends here. But what if we want to personalize the use case according to our needs? Well, unlike other platforms, SmartPredict allows you to return to the built workspace where we can personalize the entire flowchart and adjust the use case according to your needs. In the end, the model is deployed as a web service that can be easily integrated in your ecosystem for assessing fraud risk of individual transaction in real time in no time. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.